Arizona finds itself on the defense, trying to make clear to a judge that the charges filed against those so-called fake electors, that it was not politically motivated. But was it enough to convince the judge? Steve Nielsen's been following this. He was in court as they got the last word in this dismissal hearing. Steve.
Yeah, well, the judge, John, gave a ton of leeway to the defense here over the last 3 days. Many defense attorneys arguing for hours and hours trying to make their case. This is a new law they're arguing with. So the judge said it's going to take him a while to make a ruling here. The one-day court hearing finally ends on its third day.
I've heard both sides at length.
New Wednesday, the state responded to 2 days of arguments from the defense, claiming the charges against these so-called fake electors should be thrown out because they claim the case is politically motivated.
But a lot of the things that were cited to support their link to this scheme was their free speech.
Conspiracy itself, not protected speech.
11 Arizona Republicans are charged with fraud for signing a document falsely claiming in 2020 the state's electoral votes went to Donald Trump. Also charged, former President Trump's chief of staff, Mark Meadows, and attorney Rudy Giuliani, among others. They're using a new 2022 law that allows cases to be dismissed if they can prove it was substantially motivated by retaliation against freedom of speech. Well, Tuesday, the defense attacked Attorney General Chris Mays.
Reeks with political vengeance and retribution. Reeks with it.
She declined an interview, but sent a video statement.
Attempts to frame these charges as politically motivated are not only baseless, but undermine the public's trust in the judicial process.
The state says an independent grand jury indicted the defendants and that their actions were illegal.
And the speech necessary to prove that is not protected speech.
So where do we go from here? Well, so many of the arguments were actually the judge asking questions, trying to parse out the exact wording of this new law to figure out how this case fits in with that new law. He said, again, he has a lot to consider. It will take him several weeks to make this ruling. Reporting live, Steve Nielsen, Fox 10 News.